Hey everyone, welcome back to another episode of What Was Cooking. Today we're going to be making a seafood boil. Let's see how it's done. So we're going to start with adding in 2 good sticks of butter. We'll let that melt down. Now I've already cooked the eggs, corn and potatoes and they're sitting to the side cooling down while we prepare the sauce. Now that our butter's melted, we're just going to be adding in our onion. Give that a bit of a mix around. We just want this all just to soften down. Into that, I'm also going to add in our garlic. Got to bring that up to a simmer. Just make sure it's not getting stuck on the bottom too much. Now into the garlic buttered sauce we want to add our herbs. I'm using garlic powder, celery salt, all-purpose spice, paprika, parsley and cayenne pepper. We're just going to sift that in. We'll just give that a mix into it. It's been about 7 minutes since I put the spices in, so what I'm going to do now is I'm just going to add in my pre-cooked potatoes. So I've just boiled these along in a bit of water for about 7 minutes each potato. We'll just cover that across with the sauce. It is smelling amazing. I'm just going to give it a squeeze of lemon juice. Because what doesn't go better with seafood than a bit of lemon? We'll give that a mix up. Into that I've got some smoked chorizo sausage, so we're going to sprinkle that around. Make sure all that's in there. We'll give all that a mix in. And now it's time to add in our lobster tail. I'm just going to put that directly into the boiling water. Along with the mussels. Going to add our calamari in. Along with our prawns. Now all the prawns were peeled and the rest of the seafood. Now I'm going to put the lid on. I'm going to come back in about 7 minutes. Now if you like this video, hit that subscribe button and give it a thumbs up. Thanks for watching.